How's it going, everybody? And today I had to replace a broken magnet in my cellar because it was bad. Well, not today, a few days ago, but I want to make sure it works in a full, so we are going to do a walk test on the whole entire zone 2 cellar door window zone. So without further ado, here we go. I'll be silent for the rest of the video until the end. So anyway, hope you enjoy, guys. Walk test time. Yeah, it should be it for the walk test now. It just chimed once. It just went one beep. So, I think now we'll just clear it all out now. So, yeah, it just beeped like that. So let's clear the walk test out now. So, what we do is we enter our 4-digit code. So, let me do that. And 1, which is your off key. And that is it. But one more thing before I end this video. I want to make sure this actually chimes normally now. So I'm just going to open this up here. Open up this window. Why aren't you chiming? You chimed before. Well, I'm gonna have to figure that out because that shouldn't be happening. But the problem is, this is on one zone, so I'm gonna have to figure this out because this is in my wiring here. This is the builder's electrician's wiring. All I did was attach everything to it. And also, before I leave this video, I recommend everyone get your place pre-wired for an alarm system in central vac. It's just very convenient that way. So anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.